Hi friends, my name is Aditya and I'm a final year student of Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology and I belong to Computer Science and Engineering department. My project domain is embedded system and I have done digital thermometer and room temperature controller. I have done this project under the guidance of Professor G. Mallikarjun Rao. Firstly, I want to thank my beloved professor for giving me this opportunity to work on this project. What actually this project does is it records the room temperature using a temperature sensor and displays on LCD. Basing on the predefined temperature limit, it operates on the LED so that it indicates the intensity of the temperature. When the final limit is reached, it switches the DC fan, indicating that it can be used to decrease the temperature. The software used for development of this project is AVR Studio 4. AVR Studio 4 is an integrated development environment for debugging AVR software. The AVR Studio allows chip simulation and in-circuit emulation for the AVR family of microcontrollers. The AVR uses the same user interface for both simulation and emulation so that it becomes easy for the developer. The user interface is specially designed to be easy to use and to give complete information overview. Main components used in this project are Atmega16 microcontroller and LM35 temperature sensor. While giving the description about LM35 temperature sensor, LM35 converts temperature's value into electrical signals. LM35 series sensors are precision integrated circuit temperature sensors whose output voltage is linearly proportional to the Celsius temperature. As it draws only 60 microamperes from its supply, it has a very low self-heating, less than 0.1 degrees Celsius in still air. Atmega16 microcontroller. It is a high-performance, low-power Atmel AVR 8-bit microcontroller. It has six sleep modes: idle, ADC noise reduction, power shift, power down, standby, and extended standby, power on reset, and programmable brownout detection. Advantage of using Atmega 16 microcontroller over the other microcontrollers is it has some inbuilt features like ADC, which further improves in portability of the project. This is the hardware of the project. This is the power supply board where we have a step down transformer and few capacitors which are used to decrease which are used to convert the AC current to DC current as microcontroller requires only DC current, and that is the LM35 sensor, and beside to that it is the Atmega 16 microcontroller. There are three LEDs to indicate the intensity of the temperature, and that is the LCD where we are going to display the temperature, and that is the DC fan. Actually, you can have the power supply board on the main board itself, but to avoid the complexity, I have added a separate module for it. Now we will switch this system on. Now the actual temperature is 28 degrees as we can see it. Now we will provide heat by using a matchstick to the sensor. As direct heat is provided, the temperature rise is exponential. There are three LEDs: green one, orange one, and red one. Green one glows when the temperature crosses 30 degrees Celsius, and the orange one glows when the temperature crosses 40 degrees Celsius, and the red one glows when the temperature crosses 50 degrees Celsius. These are the predefined. We have defined them in the program. We can have our own prelimits. When the temperature crosses 60 degrees, the DC fan starts rotating, which helps in decreasing the temperature. As this is an automatic system, it can be introduced in baby incubation system. This can also be included in air cooler so that these can be operated automatically. Thank you.